Hi, so today I want to make a video in support of the heart and bringing more loving energy flowing through your heart. And one way we can do that is taking advantage of the energies that are all around us. The sky above, the earth below, and nature. So to do that, we're going to do something called the Lotus Flow. And to begin, we want to have a nice solid posture. So let's begin by bringing your awareness down to your feet and let them be about shoulder width and parallel. So we base that by the big toe, not the little toe. And make sure your knees are slightly bent and you have a nice upright posture. Good. And then take a breath in. We're going to only breathe with the nose, by the way. So let your tongue rest behind the upper front teeth and close the mouth. And let's take that breath in and lift the arms, making an outline of the earth. And then you're going to create a mudra, which is thumbs touching and index fingers touching. And we're going to imagine that can pull energy down from the divine above, down through the center of the head, through the throat and the chest, all the way down through the center of the torso and the pelvis. And we're going to connect with the energies of the earth. And then we're going to pull that energy up as well and bring it into the heart. And now we're going to take a moment here and we're going to send energy out from the heart. Not just our energy, all the energy we've connected with. And then we're going to release the mudra, bring the hands down, and come up and pause in front of your heart. This is called the lotus pose here. So we're just creating a nice flow, and we're going to fill the heart. We just gave energy out, now we want to receive it. Get a sense of charging up your heart. And then slowly release the hands, and let's do it again. Let's lift the arms as we inhale, coming all the way above the head, make our mudra, and then exhale as we drop that energy down through the center of the body. All the way down into the earth, connecting with the energy of the earth. Inhale, bring that energy up, right into the heart. Exhale, let's send it out from the heart. Release the mudra, bring the hands down. Inhale, and fill the heart. And let's just pause here for a moment. And have a moment just to fill your energy. Get a sense of charging yourself up from above, below, and all around you. Good. And on your next exhale, release the hands. Let's do it again. Inhale, lift. Create our mudra. Exhale, imagine pulling that energy down through the center of the body, all the way down to the earth. Inhale, gathering energy from the earth. Bring it up to the heart. Exhale, share that energy. And then release the mudra. Exhale. Inhale, fill the heart. Let's just pause once again. Feel free to close your eyes, go inward. Have a moment to be with that. Good. And now let's do the last couple as a flow here. So drop the hands as you exhale. Inhale, lift the arms. Create our mudra. Exhale, imagine pulling energy from the divine through the head, torso, pelvis, all the way down the legs, connecting with the earth. Inhale, let's pull some of that energy up into the heart. Exhale, share that out. Drop the hands as you exhale. Inhale, fill the heart. Exhale, relax the hands. Inhale, make an outline of the earth. Exhale, bring the energies down from above, all the way to the earth. Inhale, bring the energies up from below. Take that nice balanced energy into the heart. And then exhale and share that out. Drop the hands. Inhale, fill the heart. Good. And then exhale. Let the hands drop down. Rest at the navel. Let's bring the extra energy that's not needed in the heart right now. Let it soak into your center. Take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. Let it settle here. And lock it in energetically by rubbing 3 times in each direction. Doesn't matter which direction you start. And just feel that chi, all that beauty and that connection you have with the beauty that's all around you. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.